Hello everyone, this is our question. Let me explain it to you. Which of the following salt is the most basic in the aqueous solutions? The first one provided to us is aluminium cyanide. So if we see that this is a salt of a base, that is aluminium hydroxide, okay, that is AlOH3. On hydrolysis, basically we can just check that, okay, aluminium hydroxide, and the acid is hydrogen cyanide, right? So if we talk about this, the hydrogen cyanide produced during the hydrolysis is a strong acid, right? And the aluminium hydroxide is a weak base. So this is going to be an acidic salt over here. So the pH is going to be less than 7, of course here. This cannot be the answer. Talking about CH3COO, on doing the hydrolysis of the salt, we would be getting an acid CH3COOH, which is a weak acid, and a strong base, that is potassium hydroxide. So this would be a basic salt. pH over here would be more than 7. This can be the answer, but we have to see the other salts as well. The third one is FeCl3. On doing the hydrolysis here, we would be getting ferric hydroxide, FeOH3, right? And apart from this FeOH3, if we talk about, this is a weak base, and HCl, a strong acid. So this salt is again gonna be an acidic salt, so this cannot be the answer over here. The last one that is provided to us is lead acetate, PbCH3COO twice. Okay, so it is comprised of a weak acid, acetic acid, right? And also a weak base, that is lead hydroxide is a weak base. So this salt, this will be a buffer solution basically. So it can have an acidic range, basic range, or it can also have the neutral range, depends on the acid dissociation constant and the base dissociation constant. So clearly we can see here potassium hydroxide is the strongest base, and the salt which is formed over here from this is CH3COO, okay, which is the most basic one. Okay, so option number B is the correct answer. Thank you.
इस क्वेश्चन में हमको दिया गया है कि हमको पी के का वैल्यू गिवन है फॉर वीक एसिड और हमको पी के बी का वैल्यू गिवन है फॉर वीक बेस। और सो वो जो वैल्यू गिवन है पी के का वैल्यू होता है 3.2 के इक्वल और पी के बी का वैल्यू है 3.4 के इक्वल। और हमको बताना है कि पीएच ऑफ द सॉल्ट ए बी सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा। सो जैसा कि हम जानते हैं फॉर वीक एसिड एंड वीक बेस के लिए जो हमारा पीएच का फॉर्मूला होता है वो बराबर होता है पीएच बराबर 7 प्लस हाफ पी के ए माइनस पी के बी। सो इस क्वेश्चन में हमको पी के का वैल्यू पता है, पी के बी का वैल्यू पता है, तो हम इजीली पीएच का वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे। सो जैसा कि हमको दिया हुआ है कि हमारे जो एसिड और बेस है वो वीक है, तो अपन किसका एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं। तो वीक एसिड अपन ले लिया एसिटिक एसिड CH3COOH और बेस अपन ने ले लिया NH3, वो भी वीक बेस है। सो पीएच का वैल्यू आ जाएगा हमारे लिए 7 प्लस हाफ। पीके का वैल्यू है गिवन है अपन को 3.2 के इक्वल, पीके बी का गिवन है 3.4 के इक्वल। सो 7 माइनस 0.1 वो बराबर आ जाएगा 6.9 पीएच के बराबर। सो जैसे कि हम देख रहे हैं कि ये पीएच 7 से थोड़ी सी कम है, तो थोड़ी सी कम है तो जो सॉल्यूशन का नेचर हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा एसिडिक नेचर। तो इन गिवन ऑप्शन में जो हमारे लिए करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा बी ऑप्शन। थैंक यू।
Hello students, let's start with the question. How many liters of water must be added to 1 liter of an aqueous solution of HCl with a pH of 1 to create an aqueous solution with pH of 2? So we have been given 4 values. Yes, and we got to analyze as to which of them is the correct one. Yeah, So what we have to find out? We have to find out the volume in terms of liters which will be added to 1 liter of an aqueous solution. So that means we have been given an initial volume. Yeah. So let me take the initial volume to be V1, and that is 1 liter. V2, which is X liter, needs to be found out. Fine. What is it? Of an aqueous solution of HCl with a pH of 1. Okay. So the concentration, let's say C1, has been given to us in terms of pH. What is it? pH is equal to 1. So what does this indicate? That the concentration of H plus ions is equal to 10 raised to minus pH, which means 10 raised to minus 1, which actually means 0.1 molar. So the concentration of this given aqueous solution, which is 1 liter, is what? 0.1 molar. Okay. We have to create an aqueous solution that is of V2 volume with pH of 2. Okay. So that means C2, the final concentration, is going to be pH equal to 2, which itself means what? Again, concentration of H plus ions would be equal to 10 raised to minus pH, which is equal to 10 raised to minus 2, which is equal to 0.01 molar. In fact, from this question itself, we come to know that it's a direct one, but still let us solve it completely. Yeah. So as we know that this particular 0.1 solution is going to be made into 0.01. Okay. So that means this is actually what? This is actually nothing but dilution, isn't it? Dilution is taking place. We are adding water to this particular solution so as to convert it into 0.01 molar, right? We have been given the volume for this particular solution, right? And that's 1 liter. We have to find out T2. Since both the solutions are products or are related to each other, let us say that for dilution of this HCl, C1V1 is equal to C2V2. So C1 is what? 0.1, V1 1, C2 is 0.01, and V2 we got to find out. So V2 will be equal to 0.1 upon 0.01, which is nothing but 10 liters, right? But hold on. 10 liters is the total volume of this concentration which we are going to get. So 10 minus 1 will be equal to the volume of water which we are going to add to 0.1 molar solution so as to get 0.01. Okay, please understand this concept very well. I repeat again. 10 liter is the total volume. Okay, what is it? The total volume of the whole solution. Yes. So in that case, if it's a total volume, that means we have added, sorry, this came by mistake. We have added 10 minus 1 liters of water to 0.1 molar solution to make it 0.01 molar solution. Got the point? Okay. So in short, the volume of the water which needs to be added to 1 liter is how much? 10 minus 1, and that is 9 liters. So 9 liters of water when added to 1 liter of 0.1 molar solution will give 0.01 molar solution. Got the point? Okay. So that means our option number 3 is the correct answer. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.